Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to go over what sticky notes is on your Windows 10 machine. Before I begin, definitely like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. It helps out a lot. So let's just jump right into it. So what is sticky notes? Think of sticky notes like a virtual notepad almost. Like you have Post-its, think of it like Post-its for your computer that you can save whatever you want on your desktop and move it anywhere so you have information stored for another day. So to access sticky notes, what you want to do is you want to click on the type here to search bar on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or Surface, and just type in sticky. First thing that pops up right here, it says best match sticky notes, and it's an app. Click on it. So you're going to get two windows here. You can close out of this window right here. This is just a preview showing all your sticky notes. You can close out of this window. Right here is your sticky note. So let's just put, this is an important sticky note. So now that we made this sticky note, it almost acts as a Post-it note for your computer. So you can take this and you can plop it anywhere. You can resize it by moving your mouse to any corner of the note and see how it's pointing like left and right. If you grab the corner, you can shrink it and you can put that there. And if you click a new note, you can do the same thing. Like you can make another sticky note, another important sticky note. And you could just keep going as many sticky notes that you want to make. I know a lot of people use this to store information they can't memorize. This is a good tool to have if they need to quickly find out some information and they didn't want to write it down. It definitely helps. So that's how you access sticky notes on your computer. Drop a like, a comment, and subscribe, guys, and I will see you guys on the next video.